you for giving this golden opportunity to me to introduce myself. I just completed second year.
Okay.
So I want to ask one question. What is your approach to leadership and mentorship in your life as an IAS officer?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, sure. So when you are, very young, very naive, you don't know much of the things, didn't have experienced the things like life as such. So definitely leadership or mentorship should be there. You need to, can be taking anyone as your mentor. Sometimes it can be someone which you can interact with, and someone you don't interact with. Like very great personalities are there. I personally like Bruce Lee, Muhammad Ali. I don't know any of them. They have died before I even born. At least Bruce Lee. So I know what kind of qualities they are. What are their thoughts? If the situation comes, what kind of philosophy they have in their mind. Sometimes some direct mentors also, like your Dharani ma'am itself. She has seen lot of life than you people. She knows what are the ups and downs, what kind of challenges you have at your age. So she could be all these efforts which she is providing. These are to see what happens. You can be alone at your home. I can study engineering alone at my home, but the access to lab, the access to these things, and that thing I can't provide for myself. So some 1,500 people will be going and joining an engineering college. They will be providing the access to labs, they will be providing the access to lectures, they will be providing the access to other things which normally for a development you need to require. You requires. So for you, what happens, you can also study civil services, but when you are coming here and joining, you have a person at least who knows what is this exam, and he is also employing others to provide you with inputs. They are also carrying very great initiatives like Ecology. I have seen some of the initiatives which they have depicted. They are really like one leadership kind of thing for you. You are going out, you are teaching the tribal people in Paderu, ITDA Paderu is like a very great opportunity which you normally doesn't get. So by exposing to these kind of things, you generally tend to know what are the difficulties, what are the challenges they are facing, how many people at least come to the school, how many of them know the basics and all. So these kind of things normally you will be knowing in leadership. And mentorship, I definitely think when you are naive, when you are young, you need to have a very positive person as your mentor, who at least whenever you fail, who will say like, no problem, this is the way. If this fails, this is the way. There is always a way where you could, and who gives you the hope and who tells you the right things to do in life. It's not like someone who inculcates fear in you. Like it cheyapothe neevu chala darnanga untadi, you are gone case if you are not doing this. That kind of person, stay away. If someone who is like positive and who instills like parledu, if not this time, next time we'll prepare better and we will do. There is always a chance. You are very young, you can do it. That kind of person you have to definitely mentorship. At very young age, when you don't know, it's better to learn from others and do it in right way rather than try ourselves and failed. Yeah.